The radio I tell you about is going to outperform your smartphone. Let's get to work. Hello, everybody, and Merry Christmas. Welcome to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. You know, what's going to happen this Christmas morning? Phones will ring, notifications will buzz, Wi-Fi routers will sprint, and half the family will be buried in screens, trying to coordinate who gets the pancakes, who feeds the dog, who's driving who. But here's a math equation no one's talking about. Smartphone equals relies on towers plus power plus signal. However, radio equals just you, air, and antenna. Meet today's featured product. This is the Baofeng K5 Plus. Now, I have specific experience with this radio. Really, really like it. Of the Baofeng line, which I'm kind of harsh on Baofeng sometimes, but of the Baofeng line, this is my favorite device that they've got. It's a handheld two-way radio that costs about what a cheap tablet would, but it does something phones can't. It talks when the rest of the world goes silent. Now, we dive into this device, and it's got 10 watts of power. It is tri-band, meaning it does VHF, 1.25 meters, and UHF. It also has up to 999 programmable channels. That is serious compatibility in a tiny, tiny package. Now, here's the great thing. A 2,500 milliamp hour battery, enough to power you through the whole holiday weekend or a storm watch without charging. That don't mean sit there and transmit on the thing nonstop, but hey, it's going to receive for the whole weekend. These are fantastic radios. You can see this particular one, which I'll have a link down in the description down below for it. It is only $22.89. So not a lot of risk involved here. This is very, very low risk and a great value. It is USB-C chargeable. It has dual antennas, including NOAA included. NOAA weather radio channels are ready, and FM airband receive. It also doubles as a versatile all-purpose comms tool. And I'll let you see some of the details there that come with this particular one. You've got the radio, there's cable, that you've got a base, a couple of antennas. I said cable, this is battery, I mean. You got a earpiece for it, you got a belt clip. Really, really fantastic. Low cost, easy device to use there. And some of you, default to the UV5R. There's some key differences. UV5R doesn't let you copy frequency. It does not come with a base charger. It's only 128 channels, whereas the K5 Plus is 999 channels. The UV5R only has 1,800 milliamp hour battery. This one has 2,500. And then obviously a larger screen too. And this one is color as well. So that's something I really, really like about this one. So this holiday, when phones go dead, towers overload, or the grid hiccups, the K5 Plus keeps working. If you want to talk to family across country using Echolink or something like that, check in with friends on the road, monitor weather alerts, or just find someone on the air when everyone else goes quiet. This little radio outdoes any smartphone. So to wrap up the gadgets and the tablets this Christmas under the tree, give someone a real line of communication. Give them the Baofeng K5 Plus. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Live, learn, transmit. Merry Christmas and welcome to the Shack. Guys, I can't thank you enough for the growth that we've seen here on HamShackTV. If you're watching this video and we have not hit 10,000 subscribers yet, please know that we're going to give an HF radio away right here live on HamShackTV to the ICOM IC7300. Guys, can't appreciate y'all enough. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you have any comments, concerns, drop them down in the comment section. Just remember, be kind. It's Christmas. Be kind. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you in the next one. 73 AA4 WX WSCB 693.